All students, you are listening to podcast Botany for NEET by S. Ramakrishna. In this podcast, the topic, the genetics, the inheritance and the variation. So listen with concentration. Don't skip, don't scroll. How my delivery synchronizes with the NCERT textual line by unraveling all the knots and in between the lines, what is the logic lies in between the lines. Finally, at the end of the session, you are going to feel easiness as far as the topic, the genetics concern. Let's begin the topic, the introductory part of the genetics. According to Mendel and co-workers, they paved the way to know about the idea of pattern of inheritance. Inheritance, inflow of heritage from parent to offspring. That is, transfer of character from parent to offspring. They attributed it to a factor. The factor it was uncleared, a putative genetic material. But the factor became the basis for inheritance. So, in focus of attention in next century, the investigation of the factor. What is structure of genetic material? That is, search for genetic material responsible for heredity, structural basis of the genotype, how the genetic material stored and organized with genetic information, and phenotypic conversion, how genotype is converted into phenotype. So the consequently the development of molecular biology, that is the tools, techniques, technologies transforming our understanding of life, that is the gene to the life, decoding of the gene to the life. And the parallel problem it was solved during that period was mechanism of evolution. Next, and awareness in the areas of molecular genetics, that is knowing heredity at molecular level, and structural biology, the 3D structure of the protein, their function, and bioinformatics, statistical analysis of the biological data, computational analysis, that is analyzing, interpreting by computational tools, what we call bioinformatics. So awareness in the area of molecular genetics, structural biology, bioinformatics, there is enrichment our understanding much about the molecular basis of evolution. So in this topic, we are going to discuss